Hello students, we are in permutations now. We'll do some problems based on permutations and combinations. Let us discuss the first problem. I'll read out the problem. Find the number of 5-letter word. You have to find the number of 5-letter word that can be formed using the word rhyme. Number of 5-letter word that can be formed using the word rhyme. How many letters are there here? 5 letters are there. So, the number of ways of arranging 5 letters in 5 positions when repetition is allowed is 5 power 5 ways. 5 power 5 is nothing but 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. This is nothing but 25 into 25 into 5. That is 625 into 5, which is 3125. This is the number of ways. See, the 5-letter word can be arranged in 5 positions with repetitions in 5 power 5 ways. Next problem. Find the number of ways of arranging 7 persons around a circle. This is a circular permutations. You have to arrange 7 different persons around a circle. That can be done in 6 factorial ways, that is 7 minus 1 factorial ways. I will read the question. Number of persons is equal to 7. Number of ways of arranging 7 persons around a circle is 7 minus 1 factorial ways, that is equal to 6 factorial ways. 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 5s are 30 into 12 into 2 is 30 into 24, which is 720. In 720 ways you can arrange 7 persons around a circle. Let us do the next one. Find the number of ways of arranging the chief minister and 10 cabinet minister around a circle. The position of the chief minister is fixed. Around the circular table, the chief minister position is fixed. The total number of members are 11. Total number of persons is equal to 11. If the position of CM is fixed, position of the CM is fixed here, remaining 10 persons can be arranged in 10 positions. In how many ways? 10 factorial ways. Here there are altogether 11 members. CM position is fixed. In remaining 10 places, you can arrange 10 persons in 10 factorial ways. That is about the problem. Next problem. Find the number of ways of preparing a bead chain with 6 different color beads. The number of ways of arranging six different color beads, colored beads around a circle is half into n minus 1 factorial, that is half into 6 minus 1 factorial. 6 minus 1 factorial is 5 factorial by 2. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 20 into 3, that is 60 ways. So whenever it is bead arrangement or chain arrangement, the formula that we have to use is half into n minus 1 factorial, that is half into 6 minus 1 factorial, which is 5 factorial by 2, which is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 gets cancelled. 20 into 3, 60 ways. You can arrange them in 60 ways in the form of beads. Our next problem for today. Find the number of ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging four boys and 3 girls around a circle so that all girls sit together. Solution. Treat 3 girls as one unit. 4 boys and 3 girls can be arranged around a circle in 4 factorial ways. 3 girls can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Total number of arrangements is equal to 4 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 4 into 36, which is 4 6 are 24, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 144 ways. Here 4 boys and 3 girls together will become 5 units. 5 units around the circle can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. In turn, 3 girls among themselves can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So the total number of arrangements is equal to 4 factorial into 3 factorial, If you multiply, you will get 144. Next, find the number of ways of arranging 7 gents and 4 ladies around circular table if no 2 ladies wish to sit together. Okay, 7 gents are there. Seven gents can be arranged around the circle in 6 factorial ways. The number of gaps in between is equal to 7. The number of ways of arranging four ladies in 7 gaps is 7p4. Total number of arrangements is equal to 6 factorial into 7p4 ways. That is nothing but 6 factorial into 7 into 5 in 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. 6 factorial is what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Together it will become 6,04,800. You can multiply and check. It's 6,04,800. Yes, let us look into the next problem. Find the number of ways of arranging 7 guests and a host around a circle if 2 particular guests would like to sit on either side of host. Okay, total number of members is equal to 8. Treat 2 guests and a host as 1 unit. The number of ways of arranging them is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Number of ways of arranging them is 5 factorial ways around circle. Two guests can be arranged in in 2 factorial ways. Total number of arrangements is 5 factorial into 2 factorial ways. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48, 48 into 5. 48 into 5. 5 4s are 20, 24, 240. 240 ways. This is the third question for today. Let us do the next one. Find the number of ways of preparing a garland with 3 yellow, 4 white and 2 red roses of different sizes such that 2 red roses come together. Total number of roses, 9 roses. Treat 2 roses as 1 unit. Then total number of ways of arranging the roses will be half into 8 minus 1 factorial, that is half into 7 factorial. 2 roses can be arranged 2 red roses can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Total number of arrangements is equal to half into 7 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial and 2 gets cancelled, that is equal to 7 factorial, which is 7 into 5 in 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 42 into 20 into 6, 42 into 120, 120 into 42, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 4 zeros 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 0 4, so it is nothing but 5040 ways. You can arrange them in 5040 ways. That's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.